Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a review on Kylie Cosmetics Momager Edition Lip Set. I am so excited to try this for you guys. I've been dying to swatch it, touch it, use it, but I've been waiting for this video before doing that. So, before we get into it, always remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys like videos like this one, remember to give me a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get into it. So when you guys first open the box, there is a little note written by Kris Jenner herself. I'll go ahead and read this to you guys because this is the first one that's actually different compared to all of the ones that Kylie has written. So this one says, "There's nothing greater than a mother's love, except maybe this collection. This collaboration is filled with light, love, and joy. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. XO, Kris." How cute! Okay, let's go ahead and get into this. So this Momager collection retailed for $42. In this collection, there is 3 glosses, 4 velvets, and 1 matte lipstick. There is a total of 8 colors. We are going to go ahead and try on the glosses and swatch the glosses first because they're easier to remove. So the first gloss we have is called Really? No, really guys, it's called Really? So that's the swatch right there. It smells really nice. It smells like all of her other lip glosses, like a little hint of vanilla. Oh my god. She's getting better with these brushes. The last gloss that I bought from her was one of the original glosses, was the first gloss that I bought from her. And I bought the one where the brushes were all jacked up. Like they were flared out and mushed, and I was like, do I want to go through the whole process of returning this? Or do I just want to just fucking use it? And so I just decided to keep it. Here's Really. Not sticky. I wonder if I put on more, if the gloss would, this is actually a really nice nude color for me. It's not too chalky, doesn't make me look crazy like the other gloss that I tried on. Here's our next color. This is called Driving Me Crazy, which is a super pale pink. And I already know this one's gonna be too light, like that. Alright, let's do this. This one's a little bit more pale than expected. I probably will be reaching for this color too much, but texture is still good. Very soft and not sticky. I wonder if I put on a lot. Let's try putting on more to see if our lips would stick together, and you'll see that gloopy lipstick running from the top and the bottom. Not bad. I'm actually really impressed with her makeup collection. She's been doing much better than how it first started, especially with the brush. That feels really soft, and she's improved. Kylie has improved a lot. The next color is called This Is Everything, and that is the color right there. It seems like it's a kind of more peachy nude color. Oh yes. Yes. Oh my god, yes. Oh god, I'm gonna die. This color's so pretty. Oh my god, I can't. This is seriously everything. This is everything. Oh, I can't even look how pretty this color is, guys. Seriously. Consistency. Still good. This is called Too Blessed. This is the first velvet we are going into. Here is Velvet. Kind of looks similar to Posy, but a little bit more pink, a little bit more mauve-y. So I'm just gonna do a disclaimer. I've never tried any of their velvet. One of my really good friends actually bought a couple of her velvets and it looked really good on her. So I have high hopes for this velvet called To Bless. So let's do this. I don't know the instructions on this, and usually Kylie gives tips like to put a thin layer or whatever, but so I'm just gonna put a thin layer. She said to do that with her matte. I don't know about her velvet, so we gonna find out. I really like this color. What do you guys think? There's no smell to this. She has a very, very light vanilla scent or cupcake scent. It's not as strong as her matte colors, because I know that her matte color smells like a strong cupcake smell. Texture is nice and moist. It feels like when you put basically like some chapstick on. It doesn't feel dry. It feels very, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. The next color we have is called Overwhelmed. This is a more like burgundy, dark purplish plum color. Try this. That's the first layer. As you can see, it looks a little blotchy right there. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. So I'm gonna go in with another thin layer. So I'm just gonna wipe some of the excess lipstick off. Here is Overwhelmed. This brush I'm not really excited about, and the velvet or this color actually doesn't have a scent to it either, which is good. I'd rather it not have a scent than smell like chemicals. And the texture is, I like this texture. This is really good. Doesn't feel dry. It feels like a thick layer of chapstick basically. The next color we have is called Middle Finger, and I am so excited to try this one. It looks like it's an orange red. This is Middle Finger right here. Here is Middle Finger. This is one layer. Doesn't seem blotchy at all. And I am extremely impressed by this formula. Doesn't even need lip liner. Can you guys see this? I am so impressed right now. Wow. This color in particular feels lighter than the dark colors for some odd reason. And this one actually has more of a berry scent, berry cupcake scent. I don't know. Up next we have That's Wild. And That's Wild looks more of a true red right here compared to the last color. It's more of a orange red. Here's That's Wild. What do you guys think? Texture is soft, very light. This one seems lighter than the other color. So here's the last color. This is called Boss, and here it is right here. Boss seems like it's more of a, I don't know, like a really similar to that last red, but just a little smidge, just a smidge lighter. This is our last color, and this is also a matte color. It smells like cupcake, like all of her other matte lipsticks. here is Boss. This is the only matte lipstick in the set, and it smells like the other matte lipsticks that she has. Same texture. The first gloss right here is called Really. The second gloss right here is called Driving Me Crazy. Third gloss right here is called This Is Everything. This is definitely everything. This is my favorite so far. The first velvet we have is called Too Blessed. The second velvet we have is called Overwhelmed. The third velvet we have is called Middle Finger. The last velvet we have is called That's Wild. And the one matte color we have is called Boss. Okay, so for my overall review, I'm gonna give this entire set 4.7 stars out of 5, only because it's really close to a 5, but I want to be completely like, mine is blown if I'm gonna give a 5 out to any type of cosmetics. But I am very impressed by her gloss, her velvet, and her matte in this set. Kris Jenner did good picking up this shade, to be honest. So for the gloss, the texture was really nice. It's very glossy. It doesn't feel sticky on the lips, so you won't be seeing that gloopy, sticky string when you talk. And the brush on the gloss were pretty soft and buttery, almost like the other Tarte review that I did, but not as soft. And that was top-notch butter soft. But Kylie has improved a lot with her gloss brushes. I'm actually really impressed by that, which is good. Pigmentation for gloss is not heavy, which I'm pretty sure that's why she just wanted to do like a very light pigmented gloss. She doesn't want to go full on pigmentation for the gloss, which I appreciate because I do like This Is Everything. This Is Everything's gonna be my new favorite gloss, guys. If you see me in my future pictures and you'd be like, what kind of gloss is she wearing? It's gonna be This Is Everything. That's like on and poppin' right there, that gloss. I'm very impressed that her velvets are not blotchy, because I was expecting like this extremely pigmented color, especially the dark color. I thought that was gonna be extra blotchy, but she did a good job making that formula very nice and smooth and placing it on evenly with just one layer of hella pigmentation. Her matte lipstick, we're all used to that. It's like the cupcake smell, and of course it's gonna be pretty dry after a while, so there's that. And the scent for those as well, they have a very light cupcake smell, except for one of them, and I can't remember which one I said in the review, but one of them didn't have a scent, which was like really interesting. But yeah, they didn't have a strong chemical smell. Pigmentation is good, and I am overall very impressed. You go, Kylie, you go, girl. You raking all that money from us, okay? So that is all for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like videos like this, always remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out. I'm so strong, look at me. Oh, almost broke my back on that one. Ooh, guys. Kylie, you doing it, girl. Oh, girl. This is definitely $42 worth so far. Channel today, oh my god, it's so weird. Okay. All right, let's do this. Ooh, Jesus, this is my new favorite. I'm so excited. Can you guys see how excited I am? Okay. Bow. All right, let's calm down.